Sup, Virgo? I got birds of a feather. Oh, birds of a feather. There's Six of Pentacles here. Virgo, there could be dealing with the Cancer, like I said, about this gift giving. There's some type of mask being worn though here. Definitely, because I'm seeing the Five of Cups, the King of Swords, the Five of Swords. This feels like, let me get the chakra wisdom. Something about impatience here. I just heard never outshine the master, the 48 laws of power or something like that. You have learned something impeccable about waiting for divine timing and how that works when it comes to gift giving or receiving your gifts. Yeah. You've learned how to cycle through the regular ups and downs of life in order to get to this Nine of Cups energy, getting what you want. Interesting.